Good morning, wild, wild world. This morning was busy. I had a test. I didn't do well in it. But then I went back to the room, played some Fortnite with Ben, and now I'm on my way to Chapel. So should be a good rest of the week. I got a test on Monday, but...
Blessed is the man who walks not in the counsel of the wicked, nor stands in the way of sinners, nor sits in the seat of scoffers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. He is like a tree planted by streams of water that yields its fruit in its season, and its leaf does not wither. In all that he does, he prospers.
The sun is bright outside. Chapel was a singing day today, which is why you didn't hear anybody speaking. You just heard scripture reading. But now I'm on my way to lunch. Yeah, last night at the concert, I bought an Arcadian Wild t-shirt. If you don't know who the Arcadian Wild is, you should check them out at the Arcadian Wild on Instagram because they're amazing. I love their music. They're great people. It's just perfect. Wonderfulness. Got to see them in concert last night. So that was awesome. But today shouldn't be that bad. Marriage and family test was moved from Friday to Monday, so there's not much stress there. And it's a pretty good day. It's like coldish, I guess. It's 50-some degrees, but I'm fine in t-shirt and jeans, so... Just casually here in the lobby. Oh, would you look at that? They got a new table. Now the real question is, should I get on top of it? There's a teacher in there, a teacher down there, and a teacher in there. So I don't think I'm getting on it right now. But maybe later. Okay, we're out of class. I'm on my way to pick up some packages. I think it's like Valentine's Day candy and stuff. It's loud in here. Oh, the sun is shining. It's a great day. I don't know. It's been a good day. I've been hyper all day. So, need to get stuff done with all that energy. Oh, look at the beautiful blue skies. Yay. All right, packages are acquired. Got 2. Now, I'm gonna go back to the room and unbox them and see what wondrous glories my mom sent me. Oh, and Ben, it's not just me. So, I'm thinking it's probably something like Valentine's Day candy, maybe? Something like that. So that's sweet. Haha, get it? All right, so we're back in the room. It's time to see what was sent to us. Do I need scissors? Do I not need scissors? Let's find out. Oh boy. Wait. Oh. Ooh. Yes, please. Reese's and Kit Kats. And there's not just one. There's 2. Woo! Now that's a true winner right there. Reese's and Kit Kats. My mom said we could share them with friends. I don't think we're going to. Now we also have this. I'm not sure what this is. So, put the awesome candy off to the side. Whoa! They're gloves. So practical. I'm pretty sure these are for Ben because he's going to Europe. You really gotta hand it to you, Mom. This is a real handy gift. But, you know. Yes.
In Colossians 1:28, this, somebody read that for us.
Whom we preach, warning every man and teaching every man in all wisdom, that we may present every man perfect in Christ Jesus.
Thank you. So Paul's goal there, working with the Colossians, is to present everybody perfect in Jesus. A lot of translations take that word, same word, and translate it mature. Paul's goal was to usher this group of people onto spiritual maturity, right? So that when Jesus came back, they'd grown closer to God, etc. Sometimes it obviously does mean perfect. And we're not going to look these up for the sake of time. But Hebrews 9:11 says that Jesus' tabernacle is more perfect than Moses's. Now you could say, well, that's complete, etc. Yeah, but I think really it's talking about perfect, right? Like no fault. Jesus' tabernacle, there's nothing wrong with it. And 1 John 4:18, perfect love casts out fear. I think again, this is an example of it, referring to like perfection the way we usually think about it.
All right, so sadly, I was not allowed to stop for gummy worms tonight. But this brings up an important topic that we must talk about. I've had numerous sources tell me, but Zach, didn't you have gummy worms in Dollar General? And I said, yes, there were gummy worms, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for just any plain old gummy worms. I need Dollar General's $1 sour gummy worms. That's what I'm looking for. Not the sour bears, not the normal gummy worms, but $1 sour gummy worms. And I was even in Dollar General earlier today when I was just grabbing something quick over here, not in the one near where I go to Bible study. And even there weren't even gummy worms in there. I'm like pretty sure they discontinued them or something. But I digress. The evening progresses, and I am on my way to listen to the Hunts. So that should be fun. They're a good group. I like their music. I don't know how everyone's going to fit in that small space that we're in. I'll show you. It's not very big, but we shall see. Let's look what we got here. Here we're in here. So like this is the room.
Are you responsible for this? If so, thank you.
I'm responsible for a small part of it, but like UPC is hosting this, and I'm UPC, so I'm actually helping with this strike afterwards.
A strike?
Tear down, like the move out.
Oh.
Are you happy you've interrupted my talk, Evan?
What?
Oh, that's gonna be sexy. Look how small this place is. And they expect the Hunts to perform out there. Look how tightly packed they're in there. But you can see that lovely mandolin over there. Except his mandolin isn't signed by the Arcadian Wild. Mine is, but look at these drums. Those are such a hipster aesthetic. So hopefully I don't get copyright claimed for this. Sing it, Evan. Serenade me. I love it. I love it.